Good day, guys. Being here. So today let's try to model this roof. Okay, so it's actually very simple. So first we need to just find the pattern. So in this one, the pattern is very simple. So it's this. So let me just do it again. So these are the tiles, right? So each single one will be something like this, and then there's a little what do we call this, offset, or like that come up a little bit. So that's it, right? So okay, so let's we need to create a pattern based family. Okay, so first let's select this tile pattern grids drop down menu, and for this one, so we are going to use rhomboid. Okay, and now so you can see that just check the text. So it means for the point 4 will be the top one, so we're going to place a point onto the point 2 with the offset. Okay, so we can adjust the amount of offset. Yeah. Anyway, so let's start. So place a point. Use draw on world plan, set world plan, and place pick this horizontal world plan and place this point onto the point 2. Now escape, and then select this point and drag this up. So you can see there's a offset, so we can create a parameter. So let's call it offset, and we're going to use type parameter. Okay, so now we can select point 1, and together with this point create a spline through points, and point 3 with this point spline through points. Now we can select both model line and make them reference line. Okay, so now we can select these two reference line and control select these two reference line, so we will be able to create a form. Okay, so pick the one on the left, which is a solid form. The one on the right is a surface. Okay, so now we can type in a number. So for example, maybe 200. Okay, and then we can add a parameter. So click on this, create a parameter. Let's call it thickness. So it's also a type parameter. And okay, so basically this is it. Yeah, you might want to also you can also create a material parameter. So let's try to select the whole thing. So we can, yeah, if you directly pick this, you will pick the surface. So you can tab and select the whole thing, and we can create a material parameter. So okay, so for material, if you want to control individual panel color, you can always use instance parameter. So let's, okay, so now let's load. Oh, so sorry, we haven't had a mass or even a model in place mass in the project yet. So let's create one. So file, new, we're going to use conceptual mass, and so we're going to just create a very simple maybe a little organic shape. So reference spline through points, I'm going to place onto a level, this level 1, or just very simple 1, 2, 3 points, spline through points. I'll click on the top, I'll copy this 1, 2, 3, and I'll select all of them and create a form. Now I'm going to adjust them. So maybe I'll just select this. So I'll move this one, I'll move up, right? And maybe I'll move this one up as well. and then I'll maybe move individual points up, and maybe this one go there. It's not very interesting. Maybe let me just do this WF. I'll just use my keyboard instead because it's much easier. Go there, maybe go there, go up, go down, go right, up. Yeah, maybe something like this. Okay, so now let's change to SD shade. So let's pretend this is part of my roof, and then I'll use divided surface and go click on this and rhomboid. So I'll just adjust the side. Oh, sorry. I think the maximum number is 200, so you won't be able to have 300 anyway, so that's fine. So first I want to adjust the grids, so roughly to roughly get the shape right. I think that's quite okay. And then I'll just go back to this pattern based family and load it in here, select it again, go there should be a family just next to the one we just did before. So this will take some time depending on the the number of these panel. Okay, so yeah, so this is it. Of course we don't want to see any gaps between these tiles. So I think what we can do is we can adjust the thickness and the offset. So make sure the thickness is bigger than the offset. Okay, so let's try maybe 600 and make this 500, for example. I'll click on apply, and yeah, I think that's it. So now you can see there's no more gaps. Okay, and now let's try and see if we can change material. So let's type, because so if you tab select individual one, you will be able to change the material. So I'll just create a new material. I'll create maybe red. Okay, and I'll just duplicate. I'll create a blue, and oops, sorry. I'll create a green. Okay, so now you can hang on, let me think. So you should be able to MA, pick and apply, right? So, and then you can also type in red, or type in blue. Yeah, this is a little trick about material, because sometimes instead of go in here, go in here, trying to find the material you want to have, you can just type in a number. Type in a name, as long as as long as you spell it correctly, right? So yeah, so that's why I sometimes I like to name them very, very simple, so I can just directly type in here. Okay, so yeah, MA. So when you try to try to use MA, you need to tab. Or the other way is you can always select one of them and type IC, isolate category. I think. Isolate category. So it means you will not be able to pick the whole divided surface again. So you can only pick these panels, which means you can very easily use MA, right? Okay, so yeah, this is just a little bit extra tips. So this panel is basically done. this is it. Very simple. What do we do next? So I'll just quickly do another one. Maybe I'll just do a flat surface, something like this. Reference. I use 3D snapping, so which means it will create some reference line with points. Yeah, okay, so that's fine. So now let's I'll just quickly, if you create a like reference line without 3D snapping, so it will create this reference line placed onto a work plane, so you won't be able to if you see, if I try to move, I won't be able to move, right? But if you use 3D snapping, it will create a reference line with point, and then you can use the point to control these reference lines. Okay, so some extra. So now we can create some, surface the same. So we can divide the surface again. You can maybe just apply the pattern for now first, and then we can adjust the size, and then we can apply that. Okay, so this time, so you can see, yeah, relative to the thickness, these panels are quite small, so you can change the thickness and offset, but because they are type parameter, so if you directly change here, it will also change here. So you need to duplicate, so create a new type, and then you will be able to. So for example, I'll just type in 150 here, thickness 200, apply, and this will only change this one. And yeah, and this is it. Okay, so it's a very simple exercise. I'm not going to upload this one for you. Yeah, just try it, have a try, and if you have any questions, please let me know. Feel free to go into this file to just post your questions, suggestions, ideas, or anything. Okay, so that's all, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Thank you, bye.